Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you top free ChatGPT alternatives to use in 2023. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. In today's digital age, chatbots and AI-powered virtual assistants have become increasingly popular, with ChatGPT being one of the leading players in the field. However, there are several other chatbots and AI tools available that can be just as effective and often even better suited for specific use cases. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the top free ChatGPT alternatives to consider in 2023. So whether you're a business looking for a chatbot to improve customer service, or an individual looking for an AI-powered personal assistant, there are a variety of options available to choose from. So, let's dive right in the world of ChatGPT, chatbots, and virtual assistant and discover some of the best alternatives to ChatGPT. Let's begin. Now, the first AI that we are going to check out is called WriteSonic, followed by Notion, then Character AI, and then UChat over here, and finally Simplified. We're going to start with WriteSonic. As you can see here, they have their ChatSonic over here, which is like ChatGPT but with real-time data, image, and voice search. I'm going to click this. Right off the bat, as you can see, there are already features that are not available in ChatGPT. Although some of these features are available in ChatGPT 4, we all know that ChatGPT 4 requires payment before you can access it. So if you're like me who wants to use AI tools for free, you could use ChatSonic. As you can see here, you could ask complex questions, create digital artworks, give voice commands, and generate professional content. There's also this option over here that allows you to include latest Google data, which means that you would be able to access the internet and your data would be updated, unlike ChatGPT wherein their data is limited to September 2022. You could also choose personalities over here, all of this option like English translator, interviewee, and travel guide, and many more. If you're planning to use this AI for specific problems, for example, math problems or accounting problems, you could use the current personality as accountant, which will allow you to have accountant use terms so that you would be able to get and receive the best answer. Or if you would like a travel guide, for example, we're going to select travel guide, and we could ask ChatSonic to provide us information about best location to surf in Japan, for example, just like that. And we're going to click on search, and it will provide us a data similar to ChatGPT. As you can see, it's providing us a data and information about our question. You could also ask it to give more information, and it will give you information that is connected to this results over here. As you can see, it will provide us additional information. We could also go back to generate AI. We're going to exit this, reset ChatSonic, and we could also, like I said earlier, generate image if you would like to try. We're going to do create digital artwork. We're going to click this. This is an example. But for this time, we're going to change our prompt. We're going to create an HD wallpaper of a samurai dog, just like that. Click on enter and it will create us an image. Simply going to wait. And just like that, we have these images over here. Although not perfect, it will try to produce an image for you. Now moving on, we're going to check out Notion over here. Notion is like ChatGPT, but it's like also a note website wherein you could take notes, and as you can see here on the left side, like a journal, you can take notes and different things. Over here, you can see space for AI commands. As you can see here, we will be able to ask AI to write us anything. We could ask AI to brainstorm ideas, make a blog post, outline, social media post, press release, creative story, and essay over here. You could click on see more and you would be able to do and see more information over here. For example, we're going to have a pro and cons list about buying a phone, just like that. And we're going to enter this. And it will provide us a bullet form of information over here. This is great for information that you would like to be concise and brief, just like what we have over here. It created like a list for us to have over here. And if you want to add more, you can simply click on space once again. You could ask it to continue writing. You could also ask it to summarize a page, find action items, translate and explain specific terms or questions. You could also improve writings, fix spelling and grammar, make it shorter, make it longer, change the tone, or simplify the language over here. Depending on what you need, you can simply type in over here, or you could start from scratch. For example, that, and we're going to say create a poem about dog, just like that. Click on enter, and it's going to write this. As you can see, we have a poem about dogs. And as easy as that, you could also do make it longer, continue writing, try again, and done over here. And that's basically it for Notion. It's a very easy and quick to use AI. We're going to go check out character AI now. As you can see, you could choose from different AIs to talk to. For example, you would like to talk to Lily, Lyle, Stella, pair programmer if you are going to be programming, Raiden Shogun over here, Mario if you would like, text adventure, psychologist, Elon Musk, Tony Stark over here. They all have their own personalities depending on their character. As you can see, you could also check out discover, helpers, famous people, games, image generating, VTubers, game characters, anime, movies and TVs, and many more options over here. If you're going to use AI to help with programming, you could use pair programmer over here by clicking this. You would have an AI that is specifically going to talk to you like a programmer. As you can see here, print, let's go code together, and how can I help you today? We're going to ask this AI to create us a code in Java on accepting orders. Just like that. And you're going to enter it, and we're going to wait for it to generate us a code. As you can see, here's some code to help create an order system in Java, and it's going to ask and it's going to give you suggestions and stuff like that, and it's going to produce you a code over here. As you can see, it's very quick and easy, and you could also stop the message generation by clicking this button. If ever the AI gave you a wrong report, you could simply stop message generation over here so that you wouldn't waste your time. As you can see here, it's generating me a reference class for Java programming. I'm going to stop this, and we could check out other types of AI as well. You could have a normal character assistant. You could have Elon Musk, as you can see here. We have examples over here. You could also practice a new language with this AI, plan a trip, get book recommendations, practice interviewing, write a story, help me make a decision, brainstorm ideas, play a game, and help an AI escape. You could check out help me make a decision, just like that. What do you need help deciding today? For example, you could ask it to go to school early or late. Then click on enter, and it's going to give you an answer. As you can see, it's going to give you an opinion and give you an explanation about its decision. And you could use it for many other things, just like we said earlier. Now moving on, we also have UChat over here. As you can see, it's very similar, and you also have internet access over here like related web results. And now lastly, we have Simplified over here. Simplified, as you can see here, generates 50 types of copy in a second with AI Writer. It writes unique and plagiarism-free content for blogs, articles, ads, products, websites, and social media. Now for me, I usually use ChatGPT for this sort of stuff, like create contents about an article, products, websites, and social media. So we're going to try that out. We're going to enter a topic to generate copywriting quickly using AI. For example, we're going to ask it to create an article about ChatGPT, just like that, and we're going to click on generate. We're going to have to log in before we could access this, so we're going to log in. And now back here, we're going to do the same thing. As you can see here on the right side, we have our result. We have our untitled document. We could add our heading over here. For example, ChatGPT, just like that. Click on update, and now we have our document over here about ChatGPT. We could also click on history over here, and we could check out our history, and this is our results over here. You could use this like a normal document application. You could edit contents over here. You could change the paragraph settings over here on the top. You could see the wording. You could also check out the AI toolkits over here, which is this side thing over here. You could check out AI templates like blog ideas and titles, blog outlines, blog introductions, AI meme generators, just like this. Click on this, and you would be able to generate memes, just like that. You could also check for plagiarism checker by clicking on the plagiarism checker over here. And we could ask it to scan our document. And as you can see, unfortunately, usage limit is exceeded, so we won't be able to use this feature for our plan. So we would need to upgrade our plan to use that. So we could try and do this again. We're going to delete all of this content right now. Just like that. And as you can see, we're going to use a template over here. We could choose from different templates like blog ideas and titles, blog outline, blog introduction. We click this. And we could choose our tone from professional, informal, optimistic, and all of this option. For now, we're going to go with professional. You could change the output language. You could choose a blog topic over here and the keywords over here. For our blog topic, we're going to have dogs. Just like that. Keywords, cute. Just like that. Click on generate, and it's going to generate as a blog introduction about dogs that are cute. So we're going to wait for a few minutes or a few seconds depending on the internet. And as you can see here, this is our content over here. We're simply going to click on add now over here, and it will automatically add to this section over here. As you can see, this is our information on our that we have received. And this AI will be very useful depending on how you would like to use it, especially for blogs or articles or anything related to those things. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.